Okay, ew, my hair. As you can see, I'm going to work, and that's why I look like that. But today I have benefit goodies. Mostly the skin products. You know, the ones the little sample ones I showed you in my recent videos. And this is the facial wash, and this is the facial polish. So I got the bigger ones, and I finally bought my own stuff with my own check, and I invited my parents out to eat, which was awesome. Anyways, before I start, this is the nail colors I'm recently wearing. This one is by Santee, called Rich Gold. Pretty. And then got my neon purple in my index finger. It's crazy because it's like sparkly, and then purple's up here, and then the white juice. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way, but it's pretty. And then of course my top coat is by Santee, nothing special. Okay, starting off, these are the facial wash, which is step 1 you use, and then facial polish, which is step 2. This is just to remove makeup, excess oils, dirt on your face. Then you come with this, and it exfoliates your skin, and your skin feels so fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna open the facial wash, even though the boxes are so cute. I'll just open one. Huh, that works. Okay. This is how it looks. It's a facial wash. I just love the color they chose, and it works for all skin types, so. And it's one of these, the little holes, that way you don't squirt a lot. So they're $1 difference, because one of them's $21 and the other one's $22. So in total is like, plus tax. Oh, it's right here. So in total is $46.33. So more than the dinner. Yeah. There we go. Okay, this one's the facial polish, which is the same exact thing. So they kind of look like the little ones, except the tops are like detailed to make it look like a corky material. Okay, so these are what I got at Benefit. I'm so excited. They smell so good. Oh, let's smell it. It's the same thing. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's the same. So I've been really loving this product. It's cooperating with my skin, and that's what makes me happy. Well, thank you for watching, and talk to you later. Bye. Ain't right now, she will.